installed a sanitary dispensing machine in Kamarabat in the school, and it's for the benefit of the people here. And this is an initiative taken by our government and the Labour Department, so that women can use these pads. They are free. Only thing you have to put a coin inside, and you put a coin into the machine, and then you get a sanitary pad that comes out, and you can take your money back. So this is for the benefit of women in industrial areas, in schools, and so just to maintain the health of the women during her menstrual cycle.
And what about disposal of waste?
There is an incinerator here, so which has the capacity of incinerating 25 sanitary pads at a time. So what they do is they bring it and they drop it in here, and you put the machine on, and there's a tray which collects all the ash. That tray could be taken out and disposed and put back again.
How many machines are there?
There are actually 50 machines in all.
All zero?
All have not been installed yet. We are in the process of identifying different places to install the machines.
हे सगळे आमकां गार्बेजीक लागून सगळ्यान पयलीं हाजो बरो हेल्प जालो, कित्याक हे सगळे उडोवपाक खंयच आनी मेळना डिस्पोज करपाक. तें उडयल्ल्यान हाजी एश तयार जालें. एश आमी खंय उडोवंक शकता. सॅनिटरी नॅपकिन्स उडयल्यार सगळे कडेन परत ती घाणच पसरता, म्हणजे काडपाक परत गार्बेजवाल्यांकय तांकां बाबडे खूब त्रास जाता तो. हें घाल्ल्यान कामराबाटांतले लोक जावं सगळे स्कुलांतलीं भुरगीं तांकां खूब हेल्प जालो. हेल्प्स टू आवर पंचायत ऑल्सो. रेगा पळय आम डेप्युटी सरपंच PP तालिगांव.
Very good issue which has been taken by our Honorable Minister. So it is really hygienic. So and it is good for the women and for all the ladies, which will keep them all healthy.
And moreover, it's free. So sanitary pads are very expensive. That's the reason women use cloth, and that's not very hygienic, and it leads to cervical cancer. So this is a very, very good initiative taken by the government, and I would like to thank our CM for this.